Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Sema. Welcome to Sema Creates. This is my first YouTube video and I'll be launching by teaching you guys how to turn your t-shirts into a ball of yarn. Let's get started. For this project, you need a t-shirt, any size, any color, a pair of scissors, a tape rule, and a chalk. The first step is to cut here, this place, the hemming down there. Follow the straight line and go down. Should have this. Put that aside, and then the next thing you are going to be cutting is beneath the armhole, right here, from here to here. If your hand is not straight, you might need a ruler, and this part is gone. So now you are left with this. You're left with this, and this is where the real work starts. Fold like this once. Don't let it get to the end. As you can see, don't let it get to the end, and then you fold again to make this, and then you have this. Make sure you don't let it get to the end. Now this is where you need your tape rule to measure and chalk. So we have about 19 inches and we're going to be cutting 1 inch. So we need to mark each of the inch. That was funny. Each of the inch. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, and then that's the 19th one. Now you put your chalk and tape rule aside. Get your scissors back. Now you follow each line and then you cut this way. And then you stop here. The place where we have these 2 folds, that's where you stop. And then you don't get to the end. And then you continue again. 1. You have 2 cuts. The third one. You continue like this till you get to the end. You can see, about to get to the last one. And there you go, that's the last one. So after this process, what you need to do is bring it out like this, and you should have this all separating like this. You should have this. All right, now you have to be very careful for the next round. This place that we left open, make sure you put it into your hand up to your arm like this to open it up, and then you put it right down back, and then you get your chalk for the next one. For this next step, you get your chalk. For the first line, you're drawing from this place right here. You're drawing the line down like this. Can you see that? Let me bring it close to the camera. Like that. Put it down back. And then the second one will be meeting, the second line will be meeting this first line here. Like that. And then this line is meeting this line here. And then continue like that to the end. you would see that for the last line that we're going to be drawing diagonally, it is also like the first line. We're starting this way, and this is how it should be. Can you see? Let me zoom in. Can you see that? Great. Now you get your scissors to cut. Follow the line, and then you cut. Follow the next line, and then you cut. Continue like this until you get to the end. And this is the last line to cut. With this, you should have one long strand of rope. No cuts, just one long strand to the end. One long strand to the end. One long strand. And then the next step is for us to stretch it out and thin out the t-shirt. Stretch it out and thin out the t-shirt. So this is how you stretch it out. 2 palms like that. Stretch it. Stretch. Stretch. You can see the difference. This one is stretched. This one is still normal. Stretched. So you continue like this. After stretching, your t-shirts, all of your t-shirts should look like this. And then we are going to be rolling it into a ball of yarn. And this is how you will do it. You take your palm out and roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you bring it out of your palm. And then you start rolling. You twist it. And then you start rolling continuously on it to shape a ball. And here you go, a ball of yarn from a t-shirt. There are several things that you can make from t-shirt yarn. It is possible to crochet with them, and I have made this bag from 1, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts. This beautiful bag from 4 t-shirts, and this rug is made with 35 t-shirts. So if you need a tutorial for the rug, comment rug. If you need a tutorial for this bag, comment bag. Okay, thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.